Understanding basic menu settings will ensure you get the most out of your appliance, so you can cook evenly without sacrificing flavor, cook faster without sacrificing moisture, and cook confidently with steam. Before first use, remove all packing materials from inside and outside the oven. You must also clean the oven cavity and accessories. Optimum cooking results depend on proper cookware being used. Read and understand all safety precautions and use and care manual information. Before you can use your new appliance, you must enter certain settings. Let's begin by scrolling through settings. Touch the Settings touch button. Then, swipe to the left or right to select the required setting. Next, touch the bottom line. Swipe to the left or right to select the required setting. Then, touch the top line. Next, touch the Settings button. Touch Save to save the changes. View the chart highlighting available settings and setting options. Available settings. Setting option. Time of day, time in hours and minutes. Language: English, Français, Espagnol. Clock format: 12-hour, 24-hour. Clock display in digital or analog. Weight format: pound or kilogram based on your preference. Water hardness: 0 to 4. 0 being softest, 4 being very hard. Signal volume 1 through 5. Key press sound on, off. Display brightness 1 through 5. Standby mode on, off. Convection conversion on, off. This setting decreases oven temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. The temperature offset setting allows you to set the temperature range. Upper, minus 35 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 35 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 20 degrees Celsius. Temp offset, lower, minus 35 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 35 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 20 degrees Celsius. Sabbath mode on, off. Home Connect settings. Wi-Fi on, off. Remote control on, off. Disconnect from network, connect to app. Show network status. Customer service access. Allow. Display shows a wrench symbol. Deny. Demo mode on, off. Factory settings restore. Customer service displays. Customer service. Contact information. Let's walk through setting the clock display step by step. First, touch Clock Display on the user interface. Then touch the bottom line. Swipe to the left or right to select digital or analog. Then touch the top line to save preferred settings. Setting the water hardness. Before using the appliance for the first time, inquire about the water hardness of your tap water from your water supplier. In order for the appliance to reliably remind you to descale it when required, you must correctly set your water hardness range. To do so, touch Water Hardness. Then touch the bottom line. Swipe to the left or right to select the appropriate water hardness. Then touch the top line to secure your water hardness setting. Preparing your steam oven for calibration. The boiling temperature of water depends on the altitude. The oven needs to be calibrated in order to ensure optimum performance after installation. Before calibrating the appliance, wipe the smooth surfaces in the oven cavity with a soft, wet cloth. Fill the water tank. The oven will calibrate automatically after running a steam heating mode at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Set the heating mode, temperature, and duration for the calibration. After a few seconds, the appliance starts operating. After calibration, allow the appliance to cool down. Dry the oven cavity bottom floor. After calibration, continue. Set bake to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. Keep the kitchen ventilated while the appliance is heating. Stop the appliance operation after the indicated duration. Turn the temperature and the function selector to off to switch the appliance off. Then, wait until the oven cavity has cooled down. Clean the smooth surfaces with soapy water and a dishcloth. Empty the water tank and dry the oven cavity. The appliance saves the calibration settings, even in the event of a power outage or disconnection from the power supply. The calibration does not need to be repeated.